Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this video tutorial how to use reduce screen motion on your iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch. Why it's essential for us? If you are a beneficiary of Apple device, then you must enable it. So how you will enable it and why we will enable it. See guys, when you enable reduce motion, it will give you actions like switching apps become visually simpler to help with motion sensitivity, and of course also it will play the vital role to lessen strain on our eyes. So of course health benefits we have also, and it will enhance of course battery life also, or battery backup on your iPhone device also 2 to 3%. And whenever after enabling of it, especially when you tap any apps and application, your display will be totally fed up instead of scaling off. So why not we must enable it? Let's see. So for it just we need to come in a setting 2, we have to click on a accessibility, and here we have to click on a motions. Now see guys, first option we have a reduce motion, so I will enable it. Second one, prefer crossfade transition, of course. Third one, autoplay messages effects, this I will also enable, and autoplay video preview. 4 features related to especially reduce motion, I have enabled it, and now whenever you will tap on apps and application, it will be a totally of course faded up instead of scaling up. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. Furthermore, any inquiry related to this video tutorial as well as with reference to iOS device, blindly you can head to a query below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible according to your query. So thank you for watching guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.